Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brethren, I greet you all with Islamic form of greeting. May the peace, mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. There is this thing going on ever since I posted my last video on hijab, the one I captioned "A Proud Igbo Hijabi." A lot of people misunderstood that video, especially this comment from this man. I want to ask a question, Mr. Waiting with is it Azure or whatever. What made you think that I'm a revert, like I converted to to Islamic religion? Well, that is what you may think, but let me disappoint you. I'm a born Muslim. My parents are Muslims, and my grandparents were Muslims. And as a matter of fact, young man or old man, or whichever one you are, the religion Islam has been in existence in my community since 1949. How many years now? About 70 something years. So don't think I just jumped out from nowhere and I say I want to be a Muslim. I don't know your view, I don't know your opinion about Islamic religion, but whatever you think of it, Mr. Man, it is totally wrong. I am a Muslimah, a very proud one at that, and Alhamdulillah, is the most peaceful religion anybody can practice. And if you have a problem with that, you can go sort it out and stop disgracing yourself on social media, thinking that you convert to Islamic religion because you are poor. Since you are rich, why haven't I seen your name on Guinness record, richest man in the world? Are you Bill Gates' twin brother? Young man, think. Think. I'm not a revert, I'm a born Muslim.